Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Charmed Aroma. So I ordered something because I wanted to repurpose a jar. They had a really cool seashell candle and they had 30% off, and they also have mystery candles and bath bombs now. So I'm like, let's order something, see what we get. Because I always have to order enough so that I don't have to pay for shipping because I'm too cheap. So this must be the mystery bath bomb because I didn't order this one, but we got a snowman one. And you cannot pick your ring size, so this is a size 10. But that's kind of cool. I don't know if I've done that one before. I know Jackpot Candles has one that looks just like that I think I've done, but maybe not from Charmed Aroma. So this is the one that I wanted to repurpose because we have like a whole beach theme downstairs. So I thought this jar was beautiful. It smells really good too. It's called Seashell Dreams. And this one has a necklace inside, so I'll be doing individual reveals for these. Oh, it's cracked! No! Oh man, that stinks, because that's the whole reason of this order. I'll send them a picture, maybe they'll send me a new one. I did notice that. I wonder if other things are damaged in here, because it's packed tightly, but there's not much padding, so we'll see. That stinks though. Then I got a hemp candle. That smells really nice. Hemp and eucalyptus essential oils. And then, oh yeah, strawberry bath bomb. This is huge. This is really big. So I have that. And then another bath bomb. Oh, the mom one. Kind of forgot what I ordered. I also think I found a loophole to get all the Charmed Aroma stuff that they only sell in Canada. So I'm waiting to hear more about that. I did get this because I thought it was adorable. Oh well. Super reflective. You could totally see me in it, but really cute. And of course you can repurpose that. And this must be the mystery candle. So they sent me candy cane. So it looks like they're trying to get rid of their Christmas stuff and they're calling it a mystery. Whatever, I like candy cane. Oh, and look, there's a ring right on the top. That smells really nice and sweet though. So yeah, I just wanted to show you what I got so you know what kind of reveals are coming up, and I will keep you posted about all the stuff from the Canada site that I may or may not be getting. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.